Ni hindi ya gikaro gya kamiti ya bunge igi githomo na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa uthami Professor Julius Bitok kwire ruhonge rwa uthami ruheanite ithaburi ya Akenya aria marikitie kwiyandikithia na kibandi kieru kia Maisha Card. Gikaro-ini giki ruhonge rutariria ati gukinyiria riu ibandi milioni 8.8 nicirikite guthondekwo na kurikirira kuri ibandi 569 itereirio ni ene na ikometio wabici-ini cia wandikithia wa andu.
The 569,000 of them who have not collected the IDs and they have applied, that they come, pick the IDs and be able to collect them. And right now we have moved now to another generation of ID called third generation.
Kurigana na thirikari ibandi ikoretwo ikihuthika umuthi ni reketie kwitwo ni mahinda na itigũkorwo igithondekwo ringi kuria ungite kibandi giaku umuthi uracenjerio na kibandi kieru kia Maisha Card.
Your Maisha number will be your ID because we don't want to change person's records and we wanted to do it incrementally. We have been able to get into a 24-hour shift in production of IDs. Initially we were doing only one shift.
Kurigana na Bitok kwa ihinda riri thirikari iri na uhoti wa guthondeka ibandi 32,000 hari o muthenya riu akiranira gukinya muthia kwa ihinda inene ria wetereri hari aria meyandikithia kwa ibandi ciao riu oyu ibandi njeru cia Maisha Card ukioyo ihinda ria thikũ 10 tu.
And it is now paperless. You apply on eCitizen, you put your details on eCitizen, you go to an Huduma center or a county headquarters, you take your biometrics, and automatically that is relayed to our headquarters here. It is printed, and within 10 days you have your card. So
it's not mandatory to go and change to the Maisha, but listening to him very keenly, he said something in passing, which actually means it's mandatory within 5 years.
Kuna gukoretwo na thina makiria hari arutwo aria maraingira mathukuru-ini ma university na colleges iguru rigie kwaga ibandi. Riu thirikari ni yambiririe mubango wa gutwara maabitha thirikari mathukuru-ini ma secondary ruhonge ruru rugitanya kwandikithia arutwo 965 undu rio gutuika mutugo hari o mwaka.
We are ensuring that our officers in the counties and sub-counties visit the neighboring schools to be able to register students.
Ona kuri ugu Akenya matikoranu na kurihira ibandi ciao kuria ciringi 300 irihagio hari kuoya kibandi kieru kia Maisha Card na kuria ciringi 1,000 irihagio hari ibandi iria ciora.
Right now Kenyans are free to upgrade from second generation to third generation at will. Replacements of IDs are required to pay 1,000 shillings when you are replacing, but fresh applications are 300. I think it was a bit an issue, but we will be trying to look for a middle ground, and that is why we settled on 300.
Ruhonge rwa uthami rutinaga gutetera ibandi ici riu magicigweta ta ikinyukia inene ria kuhuthiria Kenya muturire.
And this card is integrated to the systems of the police, of health, of education, so that when you present it, it can be confirmed that that is yourself. You don't need to carry an NHIF card. If you have this and they key in your Maisha number, it will show your identity clearly.
Hadi ni MOETE TV letora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.